Hi guys, so just wanted to give you a quick update. As of today, Thursday, February, 28th today, I guess Robinhood took the initiative of restricting certain companies on their trading platform. Some of the companies include the ones that we've been talking about as of late: AMC, SNDL, American Airlines, Nokia, GameStop, and Blackberry. Not only Robinhood, but other companies as well, like I believe Ameritrade and certain other companies as well. The reason why we're touching on this is because we do have a Robinhood portfolio. Now, my thoughts on this, I think they have to find a way to resolve this, and I don't think that this is the appropriate way, because there's people that have been heavily invested in this for years actually. So for them to take that fall, I don't think it's fair, but that's only my opinion. I do hold contracts on Nokia. Now, one of the main reasons that I stated that Nokia would have been a good option, and it still is a good option moving forward. And we did mention, if you look at our previous video, we did mention that we were going to get Nokia contracts for 1 year ahead, because we did think that a Nokia was a smart move in terms of getting contracts for the future. And actually those contracts are still up, they're still in the green. However, we're gonna let this settle out, guys. I don't want you guys to get spooked on this. This is a game that they play, and we have to play our own game as well. I am holding my positions. I won't be selling. I do have AMC calls as well that I won't be selling, because I think it's going to come back around, guys. Like anything, these are big hedge funds, big companies that are obviously going to try to protect themselves, and somehow, some way, they were able to pull some strings to get these other companies like Robinhood to be able to restrict these companies from trading on their platforms. There is going to be backlash, or it's all over CNBC. I think there's going to be more to come. Guys, hold your positions. I think at this point you have to hold your positions, see how it all works out. I think they're just shaking the tree to see what weak hands there is out there. Once again, this is not financial advice, just giving my opinion. We'll see where this ends up, and I think moving forward, I think I will be moving my platform to maybe like a Weibo or something, something that's more secure than this, because I'm not liking that they're able just to restrict from one day to another on what you're trying to do or how you're trying to make your money, and they think it was just as simple as that. I think there's going to be tremendous backlash. We'll see moving forward, but with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you on the next one.